On the 26th of January, India celebrates its republic. Not just a tradition, but a system that acts, decides, and delivers. This is India's story, told through action. India's strength begins with its security. When challenged, India responded with clarity and resolve. Operations such as Operation Sindoor demonstrated India's commitment to protect its people and its sovereignty. The Indian armed forces serve with discipline, precision, and responsibility. Their duty is clear. Their commitment is absolute. In a world facing digital inequality, cyber threats, and system failures, India chose to build technology that works at scale. While many nations struggled with access and inclusion, India created digital public infrastructure serving over 1 billion people, secure, reliable, and efficient. India now leads the world in real-time digital payments and shares technology models trusted across borders. This is not technology for display. This is technology solving real global challenges. India is no longer only an IT service provider. India is a technology builder. Development is not announced, it is built. Across the nation, infrastructure has expanded, connecting regions, strengthening industry, and supporting self-reliance. Each project adds capacity to India's future. India's ambition reaches beyond its borders. In science, space, and strategic technology, India advances with confidence and responsibility. Progress is measured, purpose is clear. This Republic Day, we honor those who protect the nation, those who build it, and those who feed it. India moves forward, strong, capable, and confident. Jai Hind, Kisan, Jai Kisan.